Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI adventurers. Get ready to have your minds blown because what I'm about to show you is nothing short of revolutionary. We're diving into the world of ToolboxAI, and trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. But enough talk. Let's see this bad boy in action. Watch closely as ToolboxAI tackles a task that would make many developers sweat: installing Git from source in a bare-bones environment. No pre-installed tools, no package managers, just pure, unadulterated problem-solving power. Look at that! ToolboxAI starts by checking its environment. It's like watching a master chef survey their kitchen before creating a masterpiece. With a few quick commands, it identifies the operating system, checks for available tools, and formulates a plan of attack. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. ToolboxAI doesn't just follow a script, it thinks on its feet. When it realizes it needs dependencies, it doesn't skip a beat. It uses apt-get to install everything it needs, handling errors and adjusting its approach in real time. It's like watching a seasoned programmer debug code, but at superhuman speed. It runs into a few challenges, but like any skilled developer, it works through the issues and gets the packages installed. But installing Git is just the beginning. Watch as ToolboxAI flexes its muscles, cloning repositories, creating branches, and making commits. It's not just using Git, it's mastering it. And all of this happening autonomously, with ToolboxAI making decisions and adapting to challenges faster than you can say merge conflict. Now that ToolboxAI has cloned the repository and accessed the source code, it moves on to analyze the README file. With incredible precision, it reads through the documentation, understanding the project's details and requirements. But here's where things get truly amazing. Based on its understanding and advanced capabilities, ToolboxAI begins to make updates to the README file. It recognizes its new abilities and meticulously documents them, showcasing a level of self-awareness that's nothing short of astounding. This isn't just simple automation. This is ToolboxAI demonstrating an evolving intelligence, adapting and enhancing its own documentation to reflect its newfound powers. Witnessing this process is like watching the future of autonomous AI unfold right before our eyes. ToolboxAI tries to push its changes, but hit a snag. It doesn't have the permissions. But watch how it handles this. Incredible! It recognizes its limitation, understanding it has local commits but can't push them. This level of self-awareness is simply astounding. Imagine if we had given it an access token with the right permissions. There'd be no stopping this AI powerhouse. Even without push access, the changes are there, waiting in the Docker container. It's like having a brilliant intern who's completed amazing work, just waiting for your approval to submit it. When the AI runs the diff command, we expect to see additions that reflect the enhanced capabilities we've witnessed. Specifically, we should look for new sections or bullet points describing the AI's ability to work within a Docker environment, details about its capability to install software from source, like Git, information about its proficiency in using Git commands and managing repositories, possibly some notes about its ability to troubleshoot and handle complex tasks autonomously. As the diff results appear, we'll be able to confirm exactly what new information has been added to the README. This will demonstrate not just the AI's ability to perform tasks, but also its capacity to document its own improvements and new features. This step is crucial because it shows how the AI can maintain up-to-date documentation, which is a valuable skill in software development and system administration. It's one thing to perform tasks, but it's another level of sophistication to be able to accurately describe and document those capabilities. Let's examine the diff output closely to see how well the AI has captured its new abilities in the project documentation. This will give us a clear picture of how the README has evolved to reflect the AI's growing capabilities. Now, let's take a peek into its environment and look at the repository it cloned locally. Here, we can see the modification it made to the README file. Just as it said, when we do the diff, we see the changes right here locally in its own environment and the container. This isn't just simple automation. This is ToolboxAI showcasing its evolving intelligence, adapting and enhancing its own documentation to reflect its newfound powers. It's really cool to see this level of sophistication in action. Can you grasp the implications here? This AI isn't just a user of tools, it's becoming a creator. With each iteration, Toolbox AI is getting smarter, more efficient, more creative. It's like watching evolution happen in fast forward, but for software. We're now watching Toolbox AI take on an exciting new challenge. It's cloning the AutoGen Studio Skills repository, which is a goldmine of AI capabilities for the AutoGen framework. Once cloned, Toolbox AI doesn't just read the code, it comprehends it. It's analyzing the purpose of each skill, evaluating implementations, and understanding how they fit into the AutoGen ecosystem. This isn't just simple code review, it's AI-powered insight at its finest. But here's where it gets really impressive. Based on its analysis, Toolbox AI is making smart suggestions for new skills. We're talking about additions like shell access, Python RePL, Markdown editor, code execution, API integration, data visualization. These aren't random ideas. They're well-thought-out proposals that could significantly enhance AutoGen Studio's capabilities. We've witnessed something incredible today with Toolbox AI. From cloning repos to self-improvement, this AI is pushing boundaries we didn't even know existed. If you're as excited about this as we are, please show your support by starring the Toolbox AI repository. Your star helps others discover this groundbreaking project and encourages further innovation. Thank you for watching, and remember, with AI like this, the future isn't just coming, it's already here. Keep innovating.